Hello childrens. Today we are going to study singular and plural. So before start the chapter, I will ask you some questions. What is this? This is a marker and this is single. So we say marker. Now what is this? This also are markers, but these are three. So it's a markers. So now we start the chapter. Topic singular and plural. The first rule of singular and plural is the basic rule to make singular noun to plural is by adding s. What? By adding s. So, for example, lamp. Lamp is a singular form. When we make it plural, it's make lamps because we adding s here. So, first rule is when we make singular to plural, we add s. Now, examples for adding words to plural form. Okay, these all are singular. Now we make it plural. How? By adding s. As we study the rule 1 that we make singular into plural by adding s. So, it's eraser. What we make it in plural? Eraser. Then it's erasers. We adding s here. What we adding s here? Now next is bag. Then what is this? Bags. Okay. Now chair. Then what is this in plural? Chairs. This is plural because there is s. So make it singular. What we do? We remove the s. So it's make cupboard. Okay guys. Now rule 2 for noun ending in s, ch, sh, x, o, we add es. And in rule 1 we add s to make to convert singular into plural. So in rule 2, if for noun ending in s, ch, sh, x and o, we add es to make the singular word plural. For example, children, bus. Bus, now it's bus is a singular form. Now we convert it into a plural. We add es. Why es? Because there is s before es. So we add es. Okay children? Examples for adding es to make naming words to its plural form. Okay children? Now what we are doing? Some examples of adding es. First, box. Box is a singular form. Now make it plural. Then what we do? We add es because in rule 2 we study that the word es, sh, ch, x, o, we add es. So here is x. So what we do? We add es before after x. Okay. Now second is brush. Brush. Brush is a singular form. Now make it plural. What we do? We add es here. How? Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. Then sh. So we add es here to make it plural form. Okay children? Next, which. Which is a singular form. Now make it plural. What we do? As we study ch, then what we add? Es here to make it plural form. So here es. Now next is glass. So glass is a singular form. Now what we do? Glasses. Next is tomato. Now what we do? As we study o. So what is this? O. So what we add? Es. Tomatoes. Okay children? If the word that ends in y has a vowel before the Y. Then we keep the Y and add S. Then we keep the Y and add S to make the plural form. Okay children, for example, toy, toy. Here Y and before the Y is O and O is vowel. So we study has a vowel before the Y, then we keep the Y and add S to make the plural form. So toy, toys. Rule 4. Students, rule 4 is connected with rule 3. In rule 4 we are also going to study about Y. Okay, so if the word that ends in Y has a consonant, what? Consonant. If you want to know more about consonants, please subscribe my channel. Okay children, so has a consonant before Y. In rule 3 what we study has a vowel before Y. Then what we add? S after Y. Okay, in rule 3. But in rule 4 has a consonant before Y. Then we remove the Y. What we do? We remove the Y. In rule 3 we don't remove the Y. We add S after the Y. But in rule 4 we remove the Y. Okay, and add IES. What we add? We add IES to make the plural form. Okay children? Now for example, cherry, CHERRY, cherry. Here is Y and before Y there is R. R is a consonant. So what we do? We remove the Y and add IES. Now second is baby. What is here? Y. And before Y again consonant B. So what we do? Make it plural? Babies. What we do? Babies. Now third is a story. Here is also a Y and before Y there is R. R is a consonant. So we change it plural. Stories. Y and IES. So today class is over. There is also some few rules about singular and plural that we study in next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.